In this video, we will show you how to purchase and download CMAP charts for international waters through Coastal Explorer. To begin, click on the Settings gear on the left-hand side of the screen. In the Settings browser, select Charts and Add-ons. Then, click on Store at the top of the panel. Here we will find the list of chart manufacturers. For this video, we will select the CMAP category. In this next panel, you can select a general coverage area. You'll also find a demonstration charts section where you can download a preview of what CMAP charts look like. For this video, we will select the Americas and Caribbean option. If this is your first time accessing the CMAP section of the chart store, you will need to install CMAP's chart licensing system. Click on the blue link below the description to start the installation process. In the driver setup window, click the Next button. Then click Install. Once the installation is finished, you will need to restart Coastal Explorer. Once you have restarted Coastal Explorer, click on the Settings gear, select Charts and Add-ons, select Store, and go back into the CMAP category. Then select your coverage area, and the catalog should load. From here, we can browse the catalog to find the region we want chart coverage for. To get a better idea of what a chart region covers, you can click on its title within the catalog. This will highlight the chart's coverage area in the example display on the right. Once you have determined which chart coverage you would like to purchase, click the Add to Cart button below the region's title. Then, click the Shopping Cart button at the top of the browser panel. From here, you can select Checkout. This will open up our web store. In the web store window that appears, you can verify your chart purchase, then continue to the address page. Even though the charts will begin downloading to your system immediately following the purchase, it is still necessary to fill out the address page. You can save time by filling out just the taxable address section, then checking the Use Taxable Address box above the billing address area. This will prevent you from having to enter information twice. Once you have filled out the address section, click the Continue button. This will take you to the Payments page, where you can double-check your order and enter your credit card information. Once the credit card information has processed, you will receive a notification that the order has completed successfully and be provided an order number. From here, you can click the Done button on the order page to close the web store window and begin downloading the charts. Once the charts have finished downloading, you will be notified that they are ready to install. Clicking the Install Now button will load the charts into the program. Once the charts have finished installing, you can close the Settings panel. From here, you will want to make sure Coastal Explorer is set to view CMAP charts. To do this, click on the Chart button at the bottom center of the screen, click on Type at the top of the pop-up menu, and select CMAP charts. Upon switching into the CMAP viewing mode, you will see a window appear containing CMAP's limitations on use. Clicking OK on this window will allow you to view the charts. Unlike US charts, CMAP charts do not update automatically. CMAP releases paid upgrades to their charts 2 to 3 times per year. The cost to upgrade is half of the original purchase price of the chart region. You will follow the same steps covered in this video to upgrade the charts. However, when you find the chart region's listing in the CMAP catalog, it will reflect the upgrade pricing. This concludes our video on purchasing, installing, and upgrading CMAP charts. If you have any questions that this video did not cover, feel free to send us an email or give our office a call. Thank you for watching.